So in the museum, it said that the original one was made out of
Where are we even going? The one that we saw at the beach.
Yeah.
This one's called Paradise.
Oh, this is like what we saw out far in the ocean.
What?
We saw these far out in the ocean, right?
Yeah, it looks giant. Oh wait, that container ship, maybe, that container ship may be a little bigger.
From Southeast Asia, they're not coming from here.
Mommy, that ship, excuse me, that ship looks a little smaller. This big boat thing. Let's go down.
These storms throughout history have changed history. What hurricane was the boat on?
These nice.
Okay.
You want to check it here?
Okay. You can see it from here, guys. Yeah, so right out here was where we saw the turtles.
Turtle was swimming right about
Person snack. Yeah, so just having a little person snack.
Yeah, that giant, well, we found that the alligator farm. It had person snack. Okay, Mommy, come.
Hold on, I'm looking at something. So this is Jackson.
That exploded and nothing happened.